If you just picked yourself up a brand new Tacoma and you're looking to add some auxiliary lighting, before you go and start adding all these extra wiring harnesses, it might already be built in. So if you look on the dash of your Tacoma, you might see right here some auxiliary switches. If you do, that means you have some harnesses built in for running aftermarket lighting accessories. On our Tacoma, we have aux 1 through 3. Depending on which trim package Tacoma you have, you might also have a fourth switch there as well. Let's go ahead and show you where these hookups are under the hood and at the back of the Tacoma. With the hood popped, we're over here at the driver's side headlight, and right behind the washer fluid reservoir tank, you can see there is a larger plug that has a block off plug on it, and then there is also a smaller one down below. These are both for the auxiliary switches. So those are the two plugs on the front of our Tacoma. Let's head to the back and take a look at the one back there. So we're under the back here of the driver's side, and you can see we have all of these harnesses plugged in. This one right here with no wires coming out of it is going to be for the auxiliary switch on the back of your Tacoma. So now you might be asking, how do I hook up my aftermarket lighting to those auxiliary switches? Well, you should have got some harnesses with your Tacoma, and if you didn't, I'll put the part numbers down below. But these three harnesses here is what's going to allow you to hook up your aftermarket lighting to those factory switches. So you have a couple options. If you're only looking to hook up accessories at the front of your Tacoma, you only need this harness right here. It's got the larger plug on it and the 3 small wires with a 4th larger wire. So this is going to be your ground, and then this is going to give you the 3 accessories for the aux 1 through 3 switches that we have. Now, if you want to hook up some stuff at the front of your truck and also at the back of your truck, then you need to use these 2 additional harnesses. This is going to allow the hookup at the back of your truck to work as well. We're going to show you how to hook up all 3 of these harnesses, but first let's take a look at the factory manual to show you a little bit more information about this setup. All right, so page 490 is where it's going to be talking about the auxiliary switches and those factory harnesses. So you can see here aux 1, 2, and 3. It tells you how many amps you can put through it. So we have a 5 amp, a 10 amp, and a 15 amp. And then it also shows you what color wire you want to use on the harness. And then over here, it shows you the information for the rear hookup. So the rear can go up to 20 amps. All right, so it might be a little hard to show because there's not much room here, but we're gonna go ahead and unplug the covers from those 2 plugs. Like I said earlier, if you're only trying to hook up accessories on the front of your Tacoma, you only need to take out the big one. But if you want to have stuff on the front and the back of your Tacoma, we're going to unplug both. Got the second one out. So now let's go ahead and plug in our harnesses. So because we want power at the front and the back, we're going to be using this harness right here. We've got the larger plug here, and then we have the smaller one. So we'll go ahead and unplug that. We'll get both of those plugged in to the factory harness here. The larger wire is going to be our ground, and then we have 2 hookups here for the front. The 3rd hookup is going to be at the back. So we'll plug in our larger plug, and then we'll plug in the smaller one down there. Now I do want to note, these connectors, we put these on. These don't come factory on this. It's just going to be a bare wire. You guys can decide what style of connector you want to put on here for your aftermarket lighting. But now that we have that harness hooked up here, I grabbed 2 lighting accessories. We have a light bar, and I also have just a small rock light here to show you guys 2 examples, and then I have a 3rd that we'll put at the back of the Tacoma. So let's go ahead and get these hooked up. We're going to be hooking up this light bar to our higher amperage output and this rock light to the low amperage. Again, very difficult to show on camera, but we have our large white wire. That's going to be our ground. So let's go ahead and hook the ground up. So our green wire on the harness is going to be our 10 amp output. So we're going to hook up our light bar to that. And the white wire is 5 amps. So we'll hook up the rock light to that. Now, this is a very crude way of hooking it up. I'm just doing this to show you how everything works. All right, so up front we have our light bar hooked up, and we also have our rock light hooked up for our 2 examples. So let's go ahead back to the back of the Tacoma and we'll get our 3rd light hooked up. All right, so back here we have our factory harness that we have for the rear of the Tacoma. It's just a 2-wire ground and power. So we're gonna go back under there. We're gonna take off that plastic cap for the plug. We're gonna get this plugged in, and then we have another light bar here that we're gonna hook up and then we can show you all 3 lighting accessories working off those factory auxiliary switches. So on this, the all black is going to actually be our power. So we'll hook up power there, and then the black with the white is going to be our ground. We'll hook that up, and then we'll plug this in. So we'll take this off, and then we can plug in our harness, and it's easy as that. All right, so at this point you have the accessories hooked up in the front and the back of your Tacoma, and it is time to test them out. So we're gonna go ahead and turn the ignition on. So click the key 2 times, wait for that chime to stop being annoying. Now we can go ahead and press our auxiliary buttons and see if everything works. So auxiliary 1 is going to be our light bar at the back of the Tacoma. So I'll go ahead and turn that on. And as you can see, it is now working. Auxiliary 2, we'll go ahead and press that. You can see the light bar up front is working, and auxiliary 3, you can see that rock light that we have hooked up is working as well. So just like that, we easily hooked up 3 lighting accessories. We didn't have to run really any wiring harnesses. We just used the factory stuff, and it makes it super easy. All right guys, there you have it. That's how easy it is to hook up aftermarket lighting with your auxiliary switches on your 4th gen Tacoma. If you guys have any questions about how to hook any of this stuff up, make sure to ask us down below in the comments. Hit that like and subscribe button if this video was helpful, and we'll see you guys in the next one.